In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to see your Yahoo Mail account password in your phone. So if you ever saved your Yahoo Mail account passwords in your Google account, you can easily check your Yahoo Mail password from iPhone and from Android phone. To do that, first of all, you have to open a Google app on your phone. So let's open Gmail and then just tap on your profile photo. And now select the account in which account you've saved your passwords. Then tap on your profile photo, tap on Google account, and you'll directly jump into your Google account page. Once you're here, just tap on security. Under security, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find the password manager. Just tap on that. And here you will find all of your saved passwords. So all you have to need, just search here Yahoo Mail and tap on Yahoo Mail and verify your Face ID or your fingerprint, and then here you will find your Yahoo Mail account username and password. Just tap on this eye icon to make the password visible. So that's how you can see your Yahoo Mail account password. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.